Hi everyone, Chris from The-Podiatrist with the top 4 ways to recover from a run. 1. Keep moving. We know it's tempting to lie on the floor and never get up, but you must let your heart rate to slowly return to its resting state and maintain good circulation following your event. Now this will help to get blood nutrients and oxygen to your muscles for healing and reparation, and to help remove lactic acid from your body so you feel much better the next day. So the recommendation, go for an easy cool down, jog or walk. Number 2, don't skimp on or underestimate stretching. Taking time to complete static stretches, that's the one where you hold a position, helps improve muscle flexibility, it relaxes them and optimizes the repair and recovery process. So we recommend holding each stretch for between 30 and 60 seconds and focusing on the hip flexors, hamstrings, calves, glutes and quads. Number 3, stay warm. Putting on a jacket after a run will help with preventing blood from pooling in the legs, steadily lowering your heart rate without dizziness. It removes metabolites from the body and reduces the risk of both illness and injury. So we recommend taking warm clothes with you to any event and putting them on when you're still feeling warm. And number 4, have a snack and rehydrate. Refueling after activity helps to maintain blood sugar levels, get energy back to your cells, optimize your body's repair process and replenishes lost electrolytes. So we recommend having a snack in the 20 minutes after you finish that's filled with plenty of carbohydrates and protein. I hope these were helpful. To find out how to take your running to the next level, our expert team are on hand to help. So get in touch so we can get started. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.